Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. In today's video, we are doing, I don't really know, I never counted up how many exercises it is in total, but I'm going to be filming my favorite / the best exercises for the glutes on the Landmine machine. Not machine, but the Landmine. I love using the Landmine, especially when the gym is super crowded and you can kind of stay in your own corner. So what the Landmine is basically just like the bar, like that you use to squat with and stuff like that, and you put it in like this thing that's on the floor. I don't even know, I'll try and figure out what it's called, and it just keeps it there and you're able to put weight on it. And yeah, that was like the worst description ever. Yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Baileymstewart. Alright guys, so this is the Landmine machine. It's just, you put the bar and this thingy and then add weight as you want. I guess first thing will be RDLs. I'm doing now near the camera is I did front squats. So I'm basically just holding the bar here, wider stance, and then squatting down and then coming up and squeezing at the top. I don't even know if it's the method. Then I did sumos, so you can do sumo deadlifts on the Landmine. And what you're doing is just a wide stance, feet pointed outwards, knees slightly bent. Make sure to keep your spine neutral, and then you're just kind of slowly going down, and then coming back up and squeezing at the top. Or what I find helps is like focusing on the muscle and keeping it like tense through the whole movement. So going down and then coming up. targets it better than just granny squeeze at the top. So, oh, am I zoomed in? Whew, this middle part is not cute. Alright guys, so I don't know if y'all can hear me because I have my mask on, but oh, I look like a hot mess, but I just finished, I think, the landmine movements. I can't think of anything else. So yeah, but the reverse squats where like you have the bar right here, honestly we're not comfortable, so I honestly would not recommend doing that. So yeah, but thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video.